How to withdraw crypto from Phantom Wallet. Step-by-step guide. Let's get started. So first thing you want to do is search how to withdraw crypto from Phantom Wallet. And then you will see this link here. You will need to click that link and then open it. This is the official Phantom Wallet website and you will see here all the help and guide articles. So as you can see, this is how you withdraw the tokens to your bank. So unfortunately, Phantom doesn't currently support direct bank withdrawals, so to cash out your tokens, you'll first need to send them to a cryptocurrency exchange. From there, you can sell them for fiat currency like USD, Euro, and etc. And then transfer the proceeds to your bank account. So just follow these steps. So to complete the process safely, first, step 1, choose a cryptocurrency exchange. So from there, from the app, you can select a reputable exchange that supports the token that you want to sell. Then step 2, transfer the tokens from your Phantom wallet to the exchange. Now from the app, you will see and check the exchange support pages to confirm it and accept the tokens you're referring to. So take note though, sending unsupported tokens may result in lost funds. And then locate the deposit address for the token. So this is usually found under the exchange wallets deposit or receive section. So from the app, you will see a button called deposit or receive. You can see there the deposit address for the token. So just copy that and then in Phantom, select the send button. Then select the token and enter the exact deposit address provided by the exchange. So, next thing you need to do next is sell your tokens for fiat currency now. Since you're still owning the tokens, you still need to sell the tokens. So, sell them through the exchange trading platform from your preferred fiat currency such as USD or Euro. Then, each platform's process may vary, so you can contact their support if you need help completing the trade. And then step 4 is withdraw them to the bank. So after selling your tokens, you can go to the exchange withdrawal section, link your bank account, and then initiate a fiat withdrawal. And that is how you control and withdraw crypto from Phantom Wallet.